Now let's get started with the chapter 3, which is about state variables and integers. Great job. Now that we have got to shell for our contract, let's learn about the solidity deals with the variables. State variables are permanently stored in contract storage. This means they are written to the Ethereum blockchain. Think of them like writing to a database. So this will be stored permanently in the blockchain. When you the state variables in a Solidity smart contract will be permanently right on blockchain. Uh, so next time when you fetch it, you get the same value that you stored the last time. So it will be permanent on the blockchain. This example contract, we created a uint called my unsigned integer and set it equal to 100. Unsigned integer uint. The uint data type is an unsigned integer, meaning its value must be non-negative. There's also an int data type for signed integer. In Solidity, uint is actually an alias for uint 256 at 256-bit unsigned integer. You can declare uints with less bits like uint 8, uint 16, uint 32, etc. But in general, you want to simply use uint, except in specific cases which we'll talk about in later lessons. But put it to the test. Now there is a test for now. The test of chapter 3 is our zombie DNA is going to determine by the 16-digit number. Declare a uint named DNA digits and set it to 16. So here uint DNA digits and set it to 16. So here it is. Now let's check the answer. Is it right or not? Okay, great. We have completed the chapter number 3. Now let's move on to the chapter number 4.